National Seminar on Life and Work of Mastery Professor Rongbong Terang organized at Dator Degree Government Model College on 15 October. Sexual assault to my daughter by Rotan Singner had resulted the loss of her life, says the family of Kareng Phangchopi. Delhi police conducted consultative calm awareness program on child lifters at Delhi on 15 October. Hello and good morning. You're watching Karbi Live English Prime Time. On 15th of October, Dator Degree Government Model College organized 2 days national seminar on life and work of Mastery Professor Rongbong Terang at Moniram Langni Auditorium Hall, Dator under Duarbaguri constituency. To honor and felicitate the life and work of literature Professor Rongbong Terang, Mastery awardee for his outstanding contributions in the field of literature, Dator Degree Government Model College organized 2 days national seminar on life and work of Mastery Professor Rongbong Terang at Moniram Langni Auditorium Hall, Dator, adjacent to New Maligarh. The 2 days national seminar was inaugurated by Richard Togby, EM in charge of education, Karbi Autonomous Council. Mastery awardee Professor Rongbong Terang for his book Rongmili Hahi, Mrinalini Devi, Vice President of Assam Sahitya Sabha, Jadub Sharma, General Secretary of Assam Sahitya Sabha, and as many as 60 delegations from across the nation attended the inaugural ceremony of the seminar. Here is what Richard Togby, EM in charge of education, Karbi Autonomous Council, said while speaking to us.
Rongbong Terang alam Karbi ang long chot kali Assam dang ongbong chot kali bon tami India dang tami kechit hang dutang.
Now let us listen to literature Mastery awardee Professor Rongbong Terang while speaking to us.
Neli jibono hang sohut ke koan nel tum posto ha kene ke puri hut ke non Karbi ke tum doctorate dolo doctor sakuri bakuri popineta officer dolo alubam lo Karbi ke non obekine tum.
News Desk report for Karbi Live. Kareng Phangchopi was living at the residence of Rotan Singner, headmaster, for the purpose of attaining her education. Unfortunately, on 20th September, she lost her life mysteriously. But the family members of Kareng Phangchopi allege Rotan Singner to be the main accused behind her death. The repeated sexual assault of Kareng Phangchopi had consequently took away her life, says the family of the victim during a press conference called on 15 October. On 15th of October, the family members of Kareng Phangchopi, who lost her life mysteriously on 20th September at the residence of Rotan Singner, headmaster Jopra Langsu, under the jurisdiction of Borpothar Police Station, called for a press conference. During the press conference, parents of Kareng Phangchopi alleged that Rotan Singner, headmaster, had repeatedly raped their daughter, consequently taking away her life on 20th September. And later, it was found out that Kareng Phangchopi was an expectant mother at the time of her death.
Nilito maso ang jirapan ng cholang rem piderlo ng cholang rem pichot ang chot tatali apram tanang en pidek ako Kareng inuvet apram putakali derlo nona bangki apilita ako padutuko.
It was informed that they had made a visit to their daughter early morning on the day of the incident. It was fine till then. But as sun goes down, they were informed by the wife of Rotan Singner that something had happened to their daughter. They rushed to check on her daughter and was immediately taken to the hospital. But sadly, the doctor declared dead. As there were no one to guide them, knowing nothing to do, they performed the last rites of their daughter. It was also informed that the person who raped their daughter, Rotan Singner, didn't came to attend the funeral. Only the wife had attended the funeral.
Lian pidet kan sitami apiso banan chidot sita Rotan Singner ke pati vek abang ke cholang rem vek abang ke aosopi apan mean ki pi hot sitami nang chitong dunde.
Family of the victim lodged an FIR against Rotan Singner at Borpothar Police Station on 11 October. Borpothar Police Station, acting upon the complaint, apprehended the accused Rotan Singner on 12 October and kept into custody at Borpothar Police Station. But the family of the victim expressed their displeasure and dissatisfaction over the imprisonment of Ratan Singh Nar at Borpathar police station rather than sending him to district jail for imprisonment.
Sing nar phan sita me nep ing nang kon lo sita dipu central jara long ke pinyani an sita me pon pi nilitum ke santip la dek Borpathar long sinang pi pvr politi nilitum sita me pu chesong nang kok po.
Subhas Terang's report from Langchatheng for Karbi Anglong Live. On 15th of October, around 12 p.m. mid-noon, Delhi Police initiated a consultative meet with the Villagers Come Awareness Program on child lifters and child traffickers at Joseph Terang Memorial Hall, Delhi. The awareness program was chaired by Joy Singh Timung, President, Delhi Police Station Committee, and the objective of the meeting was briefed by Ponku Rakset, Secretary of Delhi Police Station Committee. Notable senior citizens of Delhi, Joy Singh Timung, Tuseswar Terang, Kehai Togbi, Thana VDP, village headmen from different villages under the jurisdiction of Delhi Police Station, SGB, students' organization like KSA, several social organizations and civilians of Delhi area had attended the event. Second officer in charge of Delhi Police Station, while speaking to us, informed that the hearsay of child lifters loitering around the area is baseless and not true. Hence, Delhi Police had called VDP members, village headmen, SGB, students and social organizations to spread the factual message and to aware the citizens of Delhi to refrain themselves from such baseless and fake news circulating around.
এই হুপা ধৰা এটা যে অপপ্ৰচাৰ ওলাই আছে সেইটো বিষয়ত এখন দিলাই থানাৰ আণ্ডাৰত যিমানবিলাক গাঁও আছে যিমানবিলাক ভিডিপি মেম্বাৰ সব গাঁওবুঢ়া এইবিলাকক লৈ এখন সজাগতা সভা মিটিং কৰা হ'ল.
Bijoy Rongpis report from Delhi for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.